Have you ever wondered what makes people doubt that Shah Jahan actually built the Taj Mahal? Let's start with the basics. The graves of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, the ones tourists are shown, are not underground. They are on the fourth floor of the monument. According to Islamic burial tradition, tombs must be built below ground level. So, how could a structure that violates that core rule be called an Islamic mausoleum? Now look at the design. The Taj's architecture includes several Hindu symbols, a kalash on the top of the dome, lotus petals carved at the base, and pillared corridors resembling ancient Vedic temples layout. These aren't random decorations. They follow traditional patterns used in temples dedicated to Lord Shiva and other deities. In fact, some early British surveyors in the 19th century even described the site as resembling a converted Hindu shrine. Then there are the mystery staircases, steps that run inside the thick walls and abruptly stop. Architecturally, they serve no visible purpose. So, were they once connected to something beneath the surface, something now hidden? At the ground level, within the Taj Mahal complex, there are multiple sealed passages leading downwards. Visitors often notice wooden panels blocking these entryways and clear warning signs that say stopping and photography strictly prohibited. If there's nothing secret down there, why so much restriction? On the riverside section of the Taj, there used to be a rectangular doorway leading to lower chambers. In 1974, American architect Marvin Mills photographed that entrance when it still had a wooden door attached. He managed to obtain a small fragment of that wood and sent it for radiocarbon dating. The results showed that the wood was about 250 to 300 years older than the official construction date of the Taj Mahal in 1632 contemporary era. After the report made headlines, the Archaeological Survey of India quickly sealed the doorway with bricks and plaster. Since then, almost every underground opening within the complex has been closed to the public. But here's where it gets even stranger. If the intention was to seal the basement completely, then why the ventilation shafts at ground level still open? They allow air to flow freely below, which means the chambers are not meant to be airtight. So, what's really under there? Why can't historians, researchers, and even tourists explore those underground rooms? Some experts believe those areas may contain earlier structures, possibly remnants of an older temple or palace that existed long before Shah Jahan's reign. Others say the government keeps them closed simply for preservation and safety reasons. Whatever the truth may be, one thing is clear: the Taj Mahal still hides secrets that no one has been allowed to uncover. And maybe that's why the mystery continues to grow with every passing decade. And one last question: can the Taj Mahal really be called the ultimate symbol of love? A monument for a wife who died giving birth to her 14th child, while her husband soon married again and continued expanding his empire. Maybe the truth is deeper, buried beneath centuries of silence, sealed doors, and stories we are simply told to believe. For more such videos, subscribe to Indian History by Dr. Venus, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.